Green Bones, starring Dennis Trillo, my first love, Ruru Madrid, my ex-boyfriend. Just kidding. Oh gosh, they have some resemblance, and I've just noticed just few minutes that there's eyes in here. There are eyes and mouth in here. So there it goes. And there they are. Okay. Let's now do our reviews. So how was it watching Green Bones? Please get the food and we will go downstairs na while we are talking.